Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Discord webhooks for AI automations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start authorizing Discord webhooks for AI automations, first, open your Discord application. Locate the channel where you want the webhook to send messages. Click on the gear icon to access the channel settings. In the settings menu, find and select the integrations tab. Next, look for the webhooks section. Click on the Create Webhook button. You will see a new window with options to customize your webhook. Give your webhook a descriptive name. You can also choose which channel the webhook will post in. Once you have configured the settings, click on the Copy Webhook URL button. Keep this URL secure, as it will be used for your automation. Now, open your AI automation tool or service. In the Settings or Configuration section, look for the option to input a webhook URL. Paste the Discord webhook URL you copied earlier into the provided field. Proceed to set up your automation parameters as needed. Make sure to test the webhook to ensure it functions properly. You can do this by sending a test message through your automation tool. Check your Discord channel to confirm that the test message appears as expected. If the message is received, your webhook is successfully authorized. If you encounter any issues, double-check the webhook URL for typos. Revisit your automation settings to verify that everything is configured correctly. Once everything looks good, your AI automation is now set up to communicate with Discord via webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.